sorry. I have been really busy between house, new pets, the store, and my other personal things. I have been very busy, and I know I have not been posting videos, but I'm preparing a new series for you guys, made with all my love for this amazing community that is there. So forgive me, please. I couldn't make any other video. Look at me today. I was like doing this yard work, and then I decided, okay, I'm coming to the store to make this video for you guys. So today is Friday, right? So Friday is the day that we open a mystery box, and today I want to share another room that we have here full with boxes, pick up something very interesting and open with you guys. So follow me in this adventure. Come on. I want to take you guys to this other room that we have here. Yeah, I don't have even electrical here yet, but we improvise. And look at this. So all these boxes are Christmas things. I love Christmas, my favorite holiday, and I can't wait to start open these boxes and show for you guys. But today is not here. Today we are going here. Yes, we do have this room is all dark, you probably cannot see, but it's full with china sets, and I have here a couple other boxes, and we are going to figure out one box to open today. Let's look around. Okay guys, so I think I found a box that I want to open. It's this one here. It's saying EB, that's eBay mix. Mix means that I don't have any clue what is that. So let's take this with us. So guys, I was very surprised with this box. So let's go through what we found. There is this basket. It's Phantom. It's marked in the bottom. And I just sold today one very similar for $45. So I believe I can get anything between $45 to $55 for this gorgeous Phantom basket. Also, another Phantom basket is this one here, a little smaller but very cute. And I also think we can get anything between $35 and $45 for this one here. This adorable one, oh my goodness, I am in love with this little cat. There is no marking, but look how adorable is him. It's beautiful. So I believe I can get anything between $35, maybe $35 for this little cat on the plate. And yeah, there is no markings, but it's beautiful. Also, we found this vase. I believe it's Phantom. I cannot find a marking on this vase, but it's kind of a cute. I like the lines, I like the colors, and I believe we can get anything between $35 and $40 for this vase as well. Those book rest or book ends, they are marble, white marble, and very heavy, and I believe I can get anything between $25 and $30 for the pair. And they are in good condition. They have this little fabric on the bottom that helps a lot to protect shelving, and they're cool, they're nice. I like the lines. It's kind of a classic thing. Fantastic finding as well is this Otto here. I hope I am saying right, but look how cute is he. He is eating a fish in his back and swimming, and it's over this little stone. This is a marking from the old seller. It's not a price, and that is, yes, a signature ROM 81. I did not did any research on this, but I believe I can get $35 to $45 for this one here. It's very cute, very cute. And last but not least, for now, is this gorgeous plate, like a wall plate. It's Fitz and Floyd. The edition is classics, and there is like a space for you to put some wires here if you want to hang, or a professional hanger, and it's in perfect condition, really good condition, no chips, no cracks, nothing. So I was very happy and surprised with this box for today. So guys, I'm sorry, I forget about this little piece here. It's kind of a basket. It's glass. It's very heavy. There is this etched flowers outside, and is in this lovely shape of a heart, and one of our favorite color, it's purple. So it's kind of a perfect piece, right? So we are thinking that this piece is not signed, so price can vary a lot in this kind of piece, but we can start an auction in $25 and see where this goes. So remind guys, all these items here are going to auction, are going to be in our eBay store for auction next week, or maybe even this Saturday, if everything went well tomorrow. Will be everything on our eBay store. If you like anything, please check us out on eBay. And that's it, guys, for today. I enjoy a lot this mystery box, and I hope to see you guys soon. Goodbye. So if you do like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe here on YouTube, also on our Facebook page. And if you have any questions, or if you see something that you really like, you can contact us using the email below in the description, or direct in our Facebook page. Thank you. See ya.